Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this beautiful 255 Yamaha FSH Sport E that just arrived. Beautiful boat, guys. You'll see it's got the seafoam green hull, white top sides, pop-up cleats, recessed nav lights, all the great equipment. Comes with this aluminum tandem axle trailer with brakes. Let's take a look at the back. Guys, taking a look at the back of this boat, you'll see it's got this wonderful Yamaha swim platform. Sits nice and low in the water. Perfect spot for entertaining, hanging out. You've actually got a remote for your stereo right here. Plenty of cup holders and a mount for a table over here as well. Guys, here you clean out ports, nice bolsters to lean back, and of course a telescoping ladder to climb aboard. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 255 FSH Sport E. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see that you've got these nice cushions, nice backrest for laying out. You've got this insert that comes, obviously it's an insert, comes in and out so that you can stand up here, use this as a platform for fishing, or you can take it out if you need more space. Nice dedicated anchor locker up front with sea decking accents to accommodate it. Rod holders plus cup holders as well. Guys, plenty of storage. Nice seat here, storage here, trash can, and dedicated tackle storage. You've actually got two live wells on board. You've got this big full-size aquarium live well with an additional live well back here. Taking a look at the helm, first thing you'll notice is the 12-inch Simrad accommodated with with Yamaha's Connect screen. All your gauges, wireless phone charger. And of course, being the E-Series, is all electronic throttles and shift. Nice lean post with bolsters. And this is actually a seat that pops up as well. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.